BioPhero makes affordable, safe and environmentally friendly alternatives to insecticides. Our mission is to lead the global transition towards sustainable agriculture, where pheromones become one of the key technologies to controlling pests in a sustainable way. Our products can be used to control some of the worst agricultural pests in the world, including rice stem borers, cotton bollworm, diamondback moth and the fall armyworm. BioPhero is a biotechnology company that has developed a completely new way to produce insect pheromones. Instead of using chemical synthesis, we use a yeast-based fermentation process. Our technology platform allows efficient mass production at industrial scale of insect pheromones. It means that we can take pheromones from being a niche application in orchards and vineyards and realize the full impact potential of insect pheromone control. For example, by applying it in corn or in rice or in soybeans.